In this lesson, you will learn more about affiliate networks. I want to share with you some affiliate networks that you can try. But first, let's make the distinction between an affiliate program and a CPA affiliate network. And affiliate marketers promote both types of offers. An affiliate program is usually a company that sells a particular product. They want to improve their sales, so they offer a percentage of the sale or a set amount to affiliates if they promote the product for them. Some examples are Bluehost, which is internet hosting, ClickMagick, which is a tracking platform that offers 30% of the sale price to affiliates, or Amazon affiliate program. You will earn approximately 4 to 6% of the sale that takes place through your link. On the other hand, CPA affiliate networks are like a marketplace of offers that you can promote. The advantages of these networks are that they have a lot of different offers that you can promote all in one place. And many offers have live tracking, so that you will instantly be able to see if your offer converts with live results. Here are 3 affiliate networks that you can try. Peerfly is the first one I want to introduce to you, and this is a big affiliate network. It has more than 30,000 publishers spread across 165 countries around the world. They have a modern platform, and I find it's very easy to add postbacks, get affiliate links, and to find interesting offers. It's a good affiliate network to start with, and you can try a wide variety of offers. The next affiliate network I want to show you is Max Bounty, and it has been operating since 2004. It has a solid reputation among affiliates. The only problem is that they have a tough process to go through to get your account approved. It may be worth learning a little bit of affiliate marketing first in the other affiliate networks and then applying to Max Bounty. Alternatively, you can just Google how to apply to Max Bounty as a newbie, and there are actually a couple of interesting articles. You can read them and perhaps give it a go. And the third affiliate network I want to introduce you to is doaffiliate.net. DoAffiliate is probably the easiest program to apply and get your account active. DoAffiliate is a global network with offers in loans, health, and supplements. It has a modern panel, it's easy to use, and I recommend this network for beginners. In this course, however, I will be using Peerfly to set up my links and configure my tracking. If you use a different affiliate network, this will still be valuable for you because all affiliate networks are based on the same fundamental principles.